but I think when we see from the salary for the
Ah,
job,
okay.
I think
I
prefer.
prefer.
If you talk
Yeah.
about money, yes, that's true.
You can.
We cannot live without money.
Rawr.
1,
2,
3,
4.
5.
we are Chatterbox.
Alright, so in today's session, we are going to talk about house life.
yeah.
Yeah.
House life in urban cities or in village area.
Okay.
Countryside.
Yes, countryside.
Yeah, countryside.
So, would you prefer, Maya, do you prefer live in city or countryside?
I think I'll choose village.
Village.
Why? Live in village because, of course, the
The price is
environment.
cheaper.
Yes, the cost of living is cheaper than
living cost.
in
cheaper.
city. And then the
Environment.
vibes
Oh, the vibes.
calm, cozy. Oh my god, there is a cow.
Nah.
And the air is
Yes,
clearer.
clear, no pollution.
Yes, clear.
I actually don't mind pollution, and I also actually prefer living in city
Why?
because you know the job opportunity
Oh,
I
is
see.
also high than village, and also I don't really mind the noise population also, even though it's noisy. I can live with it by using earphone.
Oh, even though the job opportunity is much more
Yeah.
than in the countryside, but still living cost in the city also higher than in the countryside. So it's equal. Your job you get paid
Higher.
high. You get paid higher, but also your living cost is higher too. It's
Yeah, so
equal.
actually there's no downside. It's actually almost the same living in countryside and city, but the difference is the what is it called? Noisy. The difference is too noisy or
Oh.
But I like noisy in the city. Actually, I have been living in the countryside when I was child, and now I'm living in the city. So I have both of experience living in city and countryside, and I prefer to live in the city because I like crowded place. It makes me not feeling lonely.
I see.
And the access is more easier in
Oh,
city,
yeah.
like hospital, school, and everything else. There is so many cute cafe. I like to visit new cafe.
Modern cafe, like?
I like. I enjoy to watch movies in cinema, so that's why I prefer in city.
Oh. Can you imagine living in Jakarta? Living in Jakarta.
Jakarta.
and Semarang. Okay. These both places are considered as city, right? But Jakarta is more crowded than Semarang. What do you
Yes.
think? You like living in Jakarta or Semarang? Because okay, part of them are city, but Jakarta life living in Jakarta is harder and tougher than
Yeah.
Semarang. It's also the traffic. You'll getting easier to get stuck in the
But
middle of
But I
traffic.
think when we see from the salary for the job,
Okay.
I think
I
prefer.
if you talk
Yeah.
about money, yes, that's true.
You can.
We cannot live without money.
Yeah, who doesn't want money? Who can
salary.
live without money?
Yeah.
Rules number 1. Yeah,
Of
money.
course, I want salary from Jakarta, but live in Semarang.
That's my
Slow living.
imagination too. I hope I can find a place where I can live like that way. Get high paid but low living cost.
What about you, Anissa? Do you prefer in countryside or in the city?
I think I same as you and Eva. I prefer in city because, like I said just now, yeah.
I see.
I want to be a what corporate.
Oh,
I see.
corporate
Wow.
worker.
Corporate, yeah.
I think both places have their advantage, their benefits. But I imagine when I'm living in Jakarta, that's such a crowded place. I think I would be happy for getting paid higher, but as what I said, the living cost is higher too. I think I'd like to live in a city, but not as crowded as Jakarta. Maybe I'd like to live in a place, not a place that not look like a countryside, nor crowded city in the middle. If I say Ungaran, what do you think about Ungaran? It is
Ah.
a
I've never been to
city
Ungaran,
or
actually.
Um,
don't know what-
Ungaran have
Village.
this side.
okay.
There is a city side like crowded place. There's so
Uh-huh.
many shop, but
Uh.
in the other side
Uh-uh.
there's rice fields,
Okay, rice
rice
field.
fields and river and
Okay, river.
it feel like in countryside and city at the same
Yes,
time.
I think I'd like to live in a place like Ungaran.
So I'm going to choose.
Yes.
I think I want to choose a village side. When maybe when I 50 years old,
yeah.
when I old, then I move to the village. When I have
you
much
have-
money,
okay.
then I move to the village.
You have much saving.
I agree
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah.
When I'm older, I just want to slow living in the countryside.
Yeah.
just
Yeah, I
to
see.
see the
I thought I'd like to try
sound
that.
of the
It's okay.
birds and yeah.
Do you think living in a countryside has benefit not only from the environment, fresh air, fresh oxygen, and also countryside has lots of trees, lots of plants, lots of greeneries. What do you think? What do you think people or neighborhoods in village?
In my opinion, the villagers
Yes,
think
the
more sopan.
More polite
polite, yeah,
and
polite.
friendly.
Yeah.
Yes, friendly.
Depends on the area, actually.
Yeah, depends
Depends
on
on the-
Because
the area.
sometimes
Yeah.
they're more polite and friendly, but at the same time, they're like to care about our business.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I agree.
Yes. We're here.
5 minutes again.
Pause. Resume.
So, do you guys have a specific city or countryside do you want to live in the future? Maybe like Bandung or Jogja or anything else.
I think Bandung is a good place to live when you are older, when you want to. When you want to stay away from crowded place and when you want to enjoy the greenery environment. And also Bandung is known as its desert like.
Yeah.
There are lots of
Many
coffee,
place
yes,
to go.
coffees, many place and aesthetic place. You can take photo for Instagram story right there. It's a beautiful place to live and also to stay for a while. Maybe it's just for a vacation. But it's a good place.
But in my opinion, Bandung, I think in Bandung the living cost is still pricey, same as Jakarta.
Because same as Jakarta.
Yeah.
Really?
But I think more comfortable than Jakarta.
For me, Yogyakarta.
Jogja.
Jogja, because I'm Japanese, so I prefer stay in Central Java and Yogyakarta.
You say that you prefer to live in a countryside, right? And you chose Jogja. I think it would be perfect for your choice if you live far from Malioboro.
Oh,
Yeah.
Malioboro is a tourist attraction,
yes.
right? That would be
Gunung Kidul, Gunung Kidul.
Gunung Kidul or Kulon Progo.
Kulon Progo. Kulon Progo,
Yeah.
near from beach, right here.
How about you, Ga?
Do you have specific?
I don't have anything in my mind, but
You don't have any
maybe
idea.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm not prepared for the future yet,
Oh, I see.
so that's why I don't.
Okay,
have-
got it.
But maybe my hometown could be a good place, Rembang,
Rembang.
Yeah.
because it's a city, but small city. It's a small city, not too crowded, and it still have some countryside and have some rice field, and it's pretty good actually living there.
Okay. Oh, me. So I have 3 hometown:
Oh my God.
Jogja, Solo, and Bandung. So my
Solo
father
doang.
is from Solo. No, my mother is from Solo and my father is from Bandung. But they have been living in Jogja. So I have experienced so many city, and I prefer to live in Bandung. I like Bandung vibe, and in there is so many family. Gimana sih? Di sana banyak keluargaku gitu.
Yeah.
Ngomongnya gimana?
There
I forgot
are
to
many.
say how to say that.
Okay. What about you, Lisa?
I think I choose in 20 to 30 years old. I choose stay in Depok or maybe in Jabodetabek place. Then maybe I can work in Jakarta, but I still stay in my house like that. So when I'm not young again, I can move.
Young. Forever young.
I can move to maybe the small village or the other place.
Okay.
Maybe if in the future I have a husband, I can move
Oh my God,
to
so
my
cute.
husband place. Oh my God.
Okay, is that enough? I mean, like it's already
Yeah,
it's almost
getting
6 p.m.
Yes, it's getting late.
So we should do.
I think that's enough for today's session. We had a great time. We also burned out from today's exam. See you next video.
Bye.